Apes. Of all our animal relatives, the apes are most like us. They belong to the same group of mammals we belong to. This group is called the primates. Apes do not have tails. In this way, they are different from the monkeys, which are primates too. In the Americas and Europe, apes are seen mostly in zoos. Their real homes are in old world lands near the equator. All the apes except gorillas spend most of their time in trees. With their strong arms, they can easily swing from limb to limb through the trees. The gorillas are the largest and most powerful apes. Big gorillas may weigh around 400 pounds. Gorillas walk on all fours. They have ears much like ours. The chimpanzees are the most easily taught of the apes. Some chimpanzees have learned to skate, ride bicycles, and paint pictures. An orangutan always looks rather sad. Many orangutans live by themselves. Gibbons walk erect much as we do. They have very long arms. A gibbon's hand often touch the ground when it is walking. Imagine shaking hands with such a long armed fellow. Apes have some of the same diseases people have. Appendicitis is one of them. Thank you very much. Jataka Tales. If you are looking for something exciting to read during your holidays, try reading the Jataka Tales. They are storybooks that are enjoyable as well as filled with wisdom. Originally written in the Pali language, the Jataka tales have been translated into different languages around the world. They contain stories of the previous lives of Gautama Buddha. These include Buddha in both animal and human forms. These stories are extremely popular and are valued in all branches of Buddhism. The Jataka tales are dated between 300 before Christ and 400 Anno Domini. Many of the tales are set in or near Benares, now called Varanasi, a city in North India on the Ganges River. Each tale begins by noting the occasion that prompted its telling and ends with the Buddha identifying the lives of the people in the introductory story with those of people from the past. There is humor in some of these stories.